So anyway, guys, then we got this Hoover constellation. This one I've been wanting for about 5 years almost. It is from 1980, and it's a more higher end model. I believe this one retails for somewhere around $100 new. This one, I believe, goes around somewhere around 1980 or 1981, possibly 1982. I believe this is one of the only, if not the only, constellation that has such a relief valve. Hey, relief valve, it's more like a fin that stuff. But when I got it, came with 2 attachments, crevice tool, and this head. They would normally come with, I believe, 2 extension rods and maybe a couple other tools like a dusting brush. I put the dusting brush ain't very good on these. But I am going to say something. These are built better than any canister vacuum I've ever seen. They are completely made out of steel. Not only that, but inside they're awesome. We got this big bag here. Smells like old stuff. Filter, pretty much filter. Definitely, filtration on this ain't very good. Definitely certain better vacuum than anything made today. The cord is super duper thick, which I really like. It's also very short, so it's not a couple dislikes. But the switch was really sturdy. See, when some constellations, I believe, had a switch here that would go side to side. This one don't have that. Down here. 115 volts, 45 cycles, and 750 watts. I believe due to the amp thing, that equals 6.25 amps. And it is from December of 1981, I think. Can't remember that one now. Like stars on this dude. This is the same motor as a Hoover Galvanic. But anyway, we're gonna put this thing up. Definitely much quieter than a canister I've seen today. overall, do I think it's better than any modern canister? Definitely. It's definitely built better and definitely has a lot. I don't know if it has better suction than most canisters, but it definitely has better than most canisters nowadays. It definitely built better and much quieter. But anyways, guys, please subscribe, leave comments, and always, there's your dinner.